Right. So good afternoon, guys. Today, one of my student is sending one bias file. Sir, please clear this bias file. So I will show you that bias file. Yes, see here, this one. So this is the bias file. What is sending? So just this is the backup bias file. First, check it that bias file by using ME analyzer. So I have one tool that is called as IRST tool. So where is the IRST tool? Here is it. Just to open the IRST tool. Yes. And open the ME analyzer. Click on ME analyzer. First I am checking that is initialized or not. That program. So just a minute. So right. Now see just to open the file where it is available. So the file is available here. Just drag and drop. Just drag the file and press enter. Now I am expanding. See here. So this is the CSME region. Version is 12.70 version and production so something. This is the consumer LP and chipset C type. Right. Now see if you observe clearly file system state is initialized. If it is initialized means maximum the problems are coming late display and every 30 minutes automatic shutdown, automatic restart, automatic hanging like this type of problems are coming. So you must clear this bias file. If we want to clear, okay, so separate tool is available that is called as, okay, just a minute, once again I will check it. ME analyzer. So once again I am checking. Right. For clear purpose, I am using Flash Image tool. In Flash Image tool, here version is 12.0.6. 12.0.6. So if first two are same, no problem. I am using for clear bias purpose. I am using Flash Image tool. Just to minimize. Here is there bias. See, this is the version 12 Flash Image tool. Now I am opening. Just here 12 versions so many is there 12.0.0, 0.2, 0.20. So if we observe here 12.0.6, just observe, just take nearest one, nearest flash image tool. So nearest means 6 means I am taking the 20 is the nearest. Just to open that one. Now I am deleting this one, everything. Okay, right one. So FIT, just to open the FIT flash image tool. Just to open the FIT tool. Yes. Okay, this is the FIT tool. Just to open backup file. What he is sending the file. Just to click on open. So where is the file on desktop? It is available. ME analyzer. Yes, this is the backup file. That means initialized program file. Just to open that one. Just okay. After that, now see check it. Yes. Here, see here is there. So here this is the Intel ME PMC region something. Here just two. And one more if you observe clearly and come to the version family here CSME region was 12.0.70. 12.0.70.1652, but I already take and here repository files are available. CSME repository files are available. This one, just this, open this one and again open. Yeah, now see here versions are available here. 12 version, CSME repository 12 version. Now see here, so here starting 12 version and the 12.0 I am opening this one and again 12.0 I am opening. Now see here 12.0.70, just check it. 12.0.70, where is the 70? Yes, see here 12.0.70, 1652, here is there 12 point, right, from here 12.0.70.1652, all are the same. But you can check this one, consumer LP. Consumer LP means here is there consumer H, and next consumer LPC, C type. See here, consumer LPC. So here also consumer. Corporate is different again. This is not a corporate file. This is the consumer LP file. Consumer LP file. So here consumer. Where is this one? Yes, this file only. Consumer LP file. Just copy this file and take a backup. So I already took backup this file. See here, right? See here, 12.0.70 consumer LP C type backup file. I already took this file and backup here only. So now this file you can replace here. Where is the FIT? Just here double click. Just give double click. So it is asking yes or no. Yes, and replace the file. So replace the file. Where is that one? Go to desktops and the next one is ME analyzer. Yeah, this file only. That means consumer 12.0.70.1652 consumer LPC file you can replace. Yes, now it is loading. Right. So successfully completed after that. That means ME file, CSME file I am updating here. After that go to the build settings. Go to build settings. In build settings, these three options you must select no only. No, and here also select no, and here also select no. After selected these three options no and close. Now build the image file. Now the image file, clear image file building. Yes, successfully completed. After successfully completed, just to minimize that one, check it where it is available. So go to version series 12 and again 12, here this one 12.20. Yeah, see here, this is the main clear image file. Just to copy this file, copy, go to starting. So this is the customer now. Yes, just paste here. Now I am rename clear me file. Clear me. Sorry. So clear me. Now say this one and check it. So customer backup file is 16 MB and clear bias file is also 16 MB. Now check the ME by check the version also and everything by using ME analyzer. Now I am opening ME analyzer. Yes, open ME analyzer. Open ME analyzer. Right now here only. This is the clear file now. Just drag and drop and press enter and check it. See here, now it is configured. So before clear, before clear, now check it. So first one CSME from starting onwards version 12.70652 production extracted, consumer IP same everything, but if you observe here, file system state before configure, before clear it is initialized, but after clear it is configured, and version also it is changed. See here, the version is 12.0. Image tool, and here 12.0.6 it is 20 latest one, and the remaining is same as it is. The remaining is PMC file, PMC, everything is same only. So this is the clear bias file. Now you can update in customer laptop by using this updated file. This one only you can update it. Now display is coming perfectly. So this is the clear process. Thank you very much.